It's winter here in the gardens where I've normally walked and shown you the prairie and beautiful colors. And today it's more brown, but its own kind of serenity and peacefulness walking here in the wintertime. There's not as much of a crowd, though there's quite a few people today because the weather is a bit nicer. But I think we shouldn't be scared to take on the winter, do some winter walking. Um, I could probably be bundled up better than I am right now, but yeah, just bundle up and enjoy nature and enjoy God's creation. Yeah, just